Hello guys, good morning. Come with me. Let's go. This time I decided to drive through to the car wash to wash my car. I don't feel like doing it at home, so yeah, easy does it. Anyway, you know what? I remember when my children were kids, I would take them to car wash because they love the car wash, and they would watch the Rugrat where the car wash episode is. And most of the time, the baby girls sleep so well when they're during the car wash. So it's a secret. I'm not sure if it's just a secret, but you know what? That's what happened all the time. Every time I take my kids to the car wash or my grandchildren, guess what? They fall asleep once in the car wash. So anyway, have a blessed day. You know, one of these days that you have to do some chores and you don't feel like doing that at home. Just go to the drive-through car wash and $10 and the car is good. And it's a free vacuum, vacuum over there and do your car wash and stuff like that. Have a blessed day, guys. Thank you so much for watching. It's one of those days that we have to do some chores that, we have to take care of our vehicles sometimes. See you guys later. But anyway, my car is always clean. It doesn't really matter. But see you guys later. Bye. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe. Let's go vacuum, guys. I don't know what the heck.